Jadium h23a block. PCF 0 pistons. This one's melted. This engine is a high compression stroker build. Now, in this block is h23a crank and rods using these pistons. Made somewhere around 11.5 to 1 compression, revved to 9,000 RPM, but that doesn't stop it from leaning out and burning a piston from a 4-tune. As you can see, pistons come flush with the deck, the same as every other factory combination. But over the next while, I'm taking the guts out of this block with some new pistons and putting it back into this block here, which I freshly honed. Even though people say you're not supposed to hone FRM, I've been doing it for years, good success. This engine's just going to end up being in a dirt track car anyway, so it's really no big deal. But it's a shame. This was in my 4th gen Prelude, and it used to haul ass. This is what I pulled out to do the K swap. But we're gonna let the H series live on, just in a different car. Now with the oil pan off, you can see that it has the PAA rods. That'd be from an h23a, which gives you a 97mm stroke. This block does not have the oil squirters installed for the pistons. I don't know if you can see them down in there. This block still has its balance shafts intact. A previous build I did have the balance shafts deleted. The new block will have a balance shaft delete in it because I purchased the KS Tune one thinking that this one had it removed as well. But it's been a while since I've been into this engine. So, as you can see here, this engine runs full P13 or h23a timing gears and a full h23a water pump along with an h22 head. as you can tell, PAA rod, PCFO piston, so a JDM h23 piston, f23a1 connecting rod, f23a1 crank, which you can use in this block because it is 55mm mains. Another thing to add is these are full float rods and pistons, so the wrist pin will spin through both. Something to watch for is the ring lands tend to break on these H series pistons. And this is where most of the oil consumption comes from, is these ring lands rattling around inside there and the ring sticking. It's quite a shame, really. This engine worked really well up until it didn't. That is awesome. She still ran. Still had plenty of compression on the other 3 cylinders. But this one did not pan out so well.